The most important Galaxy S24 leak is finally here. It seems like Samsung has outdone themselves and created the smarter smartphone in the market. We are not have the official look at the Galaxy AI features, but also the confirmation that Galaxy S24 series will be able to save your life. Let's start with what could be the most exciting feature of the Galaxy AI, and that is being able to generate wallpaper based on any command. You can type any description, and in return, you are going to see a beautiful wallpaper which you can even further customize by adding some weather effect like sunny, cloudy, raining, and more. Then we have a feature that's going to absolutely change the way you call on your phone. That is live translation on phone call in real time. As the description says, the person you call can hear what you say in their language, and you can hear their response in your language. It is absolutely mind-blowing that is going to happen in real time on your phone. We also have a voice focus for a clearance score. With the help of Galaxy AI, all the background noise will be removed in order to create a proper clear voice experience. Furthermore, now you are able to crop subject from video clips, something you are not able to do before. Not only you can take the subject from one clip to and paste into another, which is absolutely mind-blowing. And yes, the S24 Ultra will be able to save your life as it has the official support for the satellite connectivity for emergency messaging. This is such a critical feature. Thankfully, finally coming to the S24 series. We also have enhanced protection from battery. So if you want to protect your battery health for a longer period of time, you can have the maximum protection option. And lastly, according to the source, this software UI will be very optimization in the term of smooth animation on the Galaxy S24 series, smoother than any one US software before. And lastly, but most importantly, this is going to be a biggest use of Galaxy AI, which is chat model directly implemented in the Samsung keyboard. Yes, Samsung keyboard will have four types of Gen model from Palantir to GBD4, Goku, and CS. This is a not rumor anymore. You are literally looking at the actual screen recording of the Galaxy AI based on US 6.1 everything. We talk about in this video is pretty much officially early look at the one US 6.1. The software will come right out of the box with the entire Galaxy S24 series. Let me know what you think about in this comment section below. Subscribe for more latest news.